In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can earn $1,000 per day starting right now. So make sure to watch the video from start to finish, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe for more videos like this. So to my audience, I always teach people how to become financially free and make money online. So today I'll be teaching you how you can earn $1,000 per day in 2021 starting right now. So basically what you need to do is that you just click on the first link down below this YouTube video and go to legendarymarketer.com. You go to Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is an online education platform. It teaches people how to make money online. So what you need to do is that you just go to legendarymarketer.com and you come down, scroll down to a place, click on the affiliate here. So after you have clicked on the affiliate, then you sign up for a free account with Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer will pay you about $1,000 to $3,000 for every sale that you make. And guys, don't worry, I will share with you a place where you can get quality traffic and earn $1,000 per day starting right now. So the reason why some people don't make money online is because they don't take action. So if you are really interested in making money online, make sure to take action after watching this video. And if you are new, subscribe to my channel. So Legendary Marketer is an online training platform that teaches newbie or that teaches people on how to start and build their own business online. And guys, I am I am speaking to you from experience. I've used Legendary Marketer to also start my business online. That is, they have showed me how to create content on YouTube and help more people like you. And they have been featured in Forbes and Entrepreneur. It's a legit company. So if you are interested in making money online, make sure to go to legendarymarketer.com, sign up as an affiliate. But if you are new to online marketing and you really want to start your own business in 2021, then you must go through the 15-day challenge that David Sharp will teach you. And guys, I assure you, many people are making money with this program. Even as I'm talking to you, I'm earning about $4,000 to $3,000 every month passive income just promoting this product, and it's called Legendary Marketer. This is the CEO of Legendary Marketer. So let me just walk you through how Legendary Marketer works. So let's meet the CEO. Leading the charge of as CEO of Legendary Marketer is David Sharp, a 9-year digital marketing vet who has founded 3 multi-million-dollar companies from scratch, generated over $250 million in sales online, and educated over 500,000 entrepreneurs worldwide. He has been featured on entrepreneur.com and was quoted by Forbes as one of the masterminds of the industry. So if you are new to online marketing and you really want to learn more, make sure to join Legendary Marketer and also just start your own. They will teach you how you can start your own business online. They have educational products that will help you. And guys, if you stay up to the end of the video, I'll give you your own traffic source, the traffic source that you will be using to earn $1,000 per day. And guys, you must take action. After you have watched this video, if you don't take action, you will never make money online. The reason why some people don't make money online is because they don't take action. So if you are really interested and you want to make money online, then you have to take action on this product. And it's one of the best affiliate marketing products in 2021. So Legendary Marketer, there wasn't a school for online marketers, so we made it one. So like, I'll just walk you through David Sharp and how he became. So our system is broken and I am a classic example. Throughout my earlier years in school, I was made to feel bad because I was creative and high energy. I was reprimanded, disciplined, and sent to detention because I did not sit in my seat for 6 hours a day. In 5th grade, 10 years old, I was stuck in a corner for hours at a time in a cubicle backed against the wall, isolated from the classroom. Even thought I came up with the same mask. So guys, he's a legit guy. He have helped me make money online, and he have helped over 500,000 people and made over 500 million in affiliate sales. So if you are interested in making money online, make sure to join Legendary Marketer. I'll leave a link down below to it. And guys, I'll also show you a traffic source that all the affiliate gurus are using to make money online. So I'll walk you. Let's just go through Legendary Marketer. So let's go to products. So these are the products that the 15-day online business builder challenge. So they have a 15-day online builder challenge where he will teach you how you can build and create your own online business in 2021 and beyond. So those who are new to online marketing, affiliate marketing or digital marketing, even if you are in China, India, Nairobi, I don't care, even Spain, you can start your own online business just by using your Android phone or your tablet. So this is the first one. The second one is Legendary Marketers Club. The Legendary Marketers Club is for those who are bigger people in the industry, those who have made a lot of money. You get to sit one-to-one with them. And Traffic Secret, the Traffic University, they teach you how you can build and scale your online business with traffic sources like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, and Google, and Instagram. And Affiliate Marketing Business Blueprint. So those who are interested in building their own online business and like quitting their 9-to-5 job, Legendary Marketer have an affiliate program that will help you make money online. And they also have Digital Product Business Blueprint. They have digital products. So those who are interested in building a network marketing programs or like creating an online business, what you just need to do is that you go to Legendary Marketer and they will teach you all the things. And also they have coaching and consulting business blueprint. So coaching and consulting business blueprint, they have vast majority of things. The coaching and consulting business is an information overload, the desire for specific expertise to become in high demand. As we move away from the information age, people now have a new problem, shifting through the insane amount of data and useless information to find the exact solution to their problem. Coaches and consultants are the solution. So if you are interested in coaching and consulting, what you need to do is that just go to legendarymarketer.com and sign up for a free account. They will teach you everything that you need to know about online coaching and consulting. And they also have event and mastermind blueprint. So the event is like yearly organize all the things that you need. And Legendary Marketer Mastermind, and they have a mastermind through the Legendary Marketer platform, which also help people make money online. So private client coaching program with Dave Sharp. So Dave Sharp, you can get a private coaching with Dave Sharp himself if you are new to online marketing. And you can just click here to get started. So make sure to click on the first link down below to get the free 15-day builder challenge. Guys, if you go to the .com and you don't click through my link, you need to pay $7 before you join. But if you click through my affiliate link, you get this thing, free 15-day builder challenge for free. So if you are new to online marketing and you really want to make money online, then you have to click on the affiliate link down below the YouTube video. So I was telling you that the traffic source that you need. So this is Udemy. Udemy basically is an online traffic source, paid traffic source. So if you are interested in making money online, then just go to udemy.com, buy traffic for $100, then send it to your affiliate link with Legendary Marketer and wait for the sales to come in. So guys, those who are interested in making money right now, make sure to do these two things. You sign up for an account with Legendary Marketer and become an affiliate. So yeah, you just click on here. So let's just click on the affiliate. So if you click on the affiliate, there are two things that will pop up. They have this thing, basic and pro. The basic is for newbie and limited benefit. it has limited benefit. The newbie is $0 per month. So they have e-wallet, e-wallet program, done for you sales funnel. So they will give you a done for you sales funnel, done for you phone sales team, manage and track your leads. So they will also give you an insight on how you can manage and track your leads, manage and track your customers, advanced customization reporting, gain exposure through ranks and leaderboard, customer commission reporting dashboard, and custom finance. So the only thing that the basic plan of Legendary Marketer does not have is they will pay you 5 to 30% of commission. Integrate your autoresponder, it can't. So if you want to have your autoresponder integrated, you must have a pro account. The pro account is $30 every single month, guys. And I always prefer that if you are expert or you are already into affiliate marketing, then you should use the pro account. Thanks for watching. So you can use Udemy to